Good evening, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is December 23rd, 2023. Coming back after 2 weeks vacation, and apologies for not posting any YouTube videos. And I'm coming back pretty fresh. I had a fantastic vacation to South America. I went to Brazil, Uruguay, and Argentina. Pretty fantastic atmosphere at this time, and I definitely recommend, if you haven't seen those areas, make sure go there. And it's pretty amazing. Like, all those three countries are amazing countries, pretty nice people, charming people, good environment. Everything was fantastic. So coming back here fresh. Tomorrow will be Christmas Eve, and also on Tuesday will be Christmas Day, so market will be half closed, and our Christmas Day market will be closed as well. So, um, starting with S&P 500, after a while, I'm just posting this video. So, again, it's kind of like a taking time to get to the momentum. But last 2 weeks, we had uptick for S&P 500. So here's the last 2 weeks. And right now, we are just sitting at a 4750, which is pretty close to new all-time high. And I should say, if you haven't seen my forecast for 2023, it's pretty good, even if you see that one, because I'm going to make another one ready for 2024. It's coming in, I should say, next week. Um, but 2023, I mentioned that market will have uptick, or kind of like a bull year. And fair enough, we had a very, very nice bullish year, but I didn't anticipate market going all the way up to new all-time high, or even pretty close to double top here. So, but sure enough, we had a fantastic rally to the upside, a good corrective move starting August, I should say, all the way down to end of October. 3 months corrective move to the downside, and then nice surge to the upside. So if you'll just look at the weekly chart here for S&P 500, we didn't have any negative week after October 27. Basically, after October, November, we're all bullish. December, all bullish as well. So far, so good for bulls, but market is over, about stretched, and and I should say seasonality is pretty bullish. We are pretty close to Santa Claus rally, and this Santa Claus rally just started. I'm not shorting the market. I wouldn't recommend to short the market, but we are pretty overstretched and overbought. So uh, I would expect after this week, starting next week, market will shake out a bit, and second week, third week, and fourth week of January is going to be a cautious move, which is going to be a corrective move, and that correction can give us a good buying opportunity again for the next upside move. I should say, January again is starting second week of January. We should see some kind of like a corrective move. Right now, stochastic wise, we're pretty overbought. Look at that. So weekly reversal is coming probably next week or so. So not this week. Again, I'm not against the market. Market has very, very nice momentum to the upside. It is overbought, overstretched. So we should see some kind of like a pullback. This pullback could be a great buying opportunity. So next pullback can give us like a 4,500 to 45 uh 80. So that would be kind of like this rectangular here, this box here. That would be great buying opportunity. Again, for next 2 weeks, we should see some kind of like a sideways to the upside, and then corrective move is coming a second half of January. And this second half of January to beginning of the February, we should see some kind of like a great buying opportunity. So I'm not shorting the market. I'm not selling any of my positions. I was long, and I'm long still the entire 2023, and we just made a good money right now. So right, the market is good in favor to our positions, but we are not shorting again the market. We are not selling anything right now. I'm not selling anything right now. I'm just waiting for a corrective move to get some value names in a buying opportunity to the long side. So but we'll see how it goes. But weekly chart for S&P 500, as I said, pretty overbought. All indicators are showing kind of like overbought condition. Seasonality, we're bullish. Santa Claus rally. We should just give market benefit of doubt for next for this coming week and also next. But after that, I should say, be cautious about the market. Wait for a corrective move. We will get some good correction, nice correction down the road, and we can just buy back to stocks. Moving on to daily chart. Here's the daily chart. Daily is very, very obvious that we are overbought. So look at the rally here. Substantial rally to the upside since October 27th. Look at the market. So it's kind of like not a V shape. It's pretty parabolic, move to the upside. But look at here, MACD. So I just want to show the MACD shows very, very obvious divergence. However, this divergence with RSI is kind of like invalidated. So that means we are not relying on this divergence. It is not a strong divergence. IMI shows a divergence as well. So indicators are not at the same time, are not showing the same thing. So just be careful about that. Even if we see a corrective move, so I'm kind of like having some idea about the correction. If we get a good correction, we can get all the way down to 45, as I said, 4,500 to 4,560. Here is the daily chart, which is going to be this consolidation period in December timeframe. This is going to be first one. If we see a good higher high, I should say, any pullback again could be a good buying opportunity. But this area could be kind of like a nice, even if it gets us to a 43 to 4,400, I would take it, to be honest, because this is a good deep corrective move, something like this, and look at what happened after that. So if we get something like this, we can get a good buying opportunity to the upside as well. Moving on to Nasdaq. Let me just, where's my Nasdaq chart? Here's the Nasdaq. All right, here's Nasdaq weekly chart. So weekly chart Nasdaq, it shows kind of like a divergence in both MACD, RSI, and also triple divergence in stochastic as well. So indicators shows huge divergence here. And if we want to just be specific about divergence, we should see some kind of like a reversal from here. Specifically, when we see a nominal new all-time high for Nasdaq, and then a sharp sell-off after that. But regained nicely, ended up a positive week, nothing to worry about. We should see some next two weeks, I should say, this week and next week, can see still a positive momentum, but 17,000 to 17,100, I should say, is going to be a good reversal to the downside. We can see all the way down to 16,000 to 15,500, which is going to be a fantastic, I should say, buying opportunity if it gets us to that level. All right. So if we go to daily chart, gives us kind of like a specific level here. Again, we can go to 17,000 to 17,100. But after that, if you see a reversal, the reversal is coming down to this area, which is going to be 15,500 to 16,000 area. So this is going to be a good reversal for the market, for the Nasdaq, and could be great buying opportunities. So wait for this correction again, second week to the fourth week of January. We can see some kind of like a good buying opportunity correction. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones. So Dow was the first index hit new all-time high this year, as per my forecast in 2023. So we just released the forecast January 2023, and I just told you exactly, if you see Dow hit new all-time high this year, you shouldn't be surprised. Still, I say we can go higher high, even 40,000 to 42,000 in April timeframe, but it's not going to be a straight line to the upside. We should see some corrective move, and if correction is coming, we'll take it. So the next corrective move, again, the same as the other indexes, can be second week to fourth week of January, 36,000 to 35,600 could be great buying opportunity here. So I would wait to see if Dow is giving us to this level and reversal. If reversal confirms, we can get into long position. Moving on to daily chart. So daily chart is kind of like a give us specific levels here. So we got into this box, which I drew a long time ago. And this is my kind of like area for a Dow Jones to see kind of like a consolidation or pullback. So fair enough, we see some reaction, initial reaction, but we retrace a bit to the upside. However, it just shows a doji bar on Friday. So if we see a confirmation to the downside, I should say Dow can be the first one, which starts the correction. Corrected move to the downside is going to be at 36,000. So 36,000 area could be great buying opportunity. Still, I can I can say that Dow could be the outperformer even the first half of 2024. All right, so in this video, I just want to keep it very, very short and sweet. Um, I will give you more update on the gold, on the crude for the next videos. But in this video, I just specifically focus on the indexes, three major indexes. And for the next videos, I'm going to give you more updates on even gold, crude, and individual stocks. Have a fantastic evening. Merry Christmas in advance. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.